All right, so in this video, we're gonna be taking a look at this ProHeat cleaner. So yeah, let's see what we got in here. All right, so in here, looks like we got a little, right here, we have one attachment right here. Got the little brush. Then in here, we have the actual BISSELL little green ProHeat SmartMix. Then we got the cleaning solution right here. And last but not least, we have a little nozzle attachment. That's all that's gonna be in here. All right, so this one's really cool because not only does it have the water and everything, not only does it have the cleaning solution, but it also like mixes in heat. All right, so there's a little valve down here for water, like when it comes to, here, let's take a look. All right, so looking at it, there is this button on top to like kind of release and take these apart. To kind of show you, we got the little hose right here, and we got this, there's this red piece. You can see there's a red piece right here. You want to line those up, snap them on like that. I don't fully know what this does yet, but just something I noticed. So it looks like there is kind of like a spray setting right here, and you can slide this, and now there is this setting. So maybe this is heat, I don't know. We'll try it out later in this video. Kind of taking a look at it. So we got the hose over here. It looks like this hose kind of wraps around the bottom. Supposed to put it around here maybe. Then it looks like you can take that and kind of snap it onto here. I'm not fully sure, but that's how it looks at first. But yeah, just taking a kind of a look at the rest of it. On the top you have, I believe this is the button for the heat. There's a switch right here, and then there's a power button right here. And then you have one side over here. This side says SmartMix. I think this comes up. All right, so yeah, you got this side over here. There's some kind of ball over here. I don't really know what the ball is for, but there's a ball over here. I clearly didn't do all my research. I just know it uses heat to clean. We got this part right here where you can fill up the reservoir on this side. And then on this side, I think this is where everything kind of collects, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, you can lift this side up. I don't fully know what's up with that. And then this side comes off. I guess this is where all the trash and the dirt goes. Taking another look at it, you got like the max fill level over here. I think the fluid goes in over here. And now let's kind of take a look at it and try it out. All right, so when it comes to filling up the tank, there's two different sides. You fill up the water on this side, and there is a fill line right here that you can see. And then you got the cleaning solution right here on this side, and it'll fill right there. So the cleaning solution goes in kind of through this side. There's like a little, kind of like filter kind of thing. And yeah, this is the side that has the ball. So I'm gonna fill these up real fast and we'll take a look. So just gonna go to the fill line, got the water in, filled to the fill line. Now I'm just gonna take this and make sure it's all screwed on. I'm gonna take the cleaning solution that came with it, and we're gonna make sure that we fill it up. All right, so got our cleaning solution right here. I'm gonna take this and pour this in. All right, so here we are. Got our cleaning solution right here. Got our water over here. All right, let's go get it cleaned. All right, now taking a look at it, got the container back over here. Now, just kind of looking at it, you can see it says to press the button to heat it up for like 30 seconds. So I'm gonna do that. Might need to be on for 30 seconds. Got it plugged in. Don't know if anything's gonna happen. Oh, I need to turn it on too. So yeah, got it turned on. Got it kind of going. I'm honestly not sure if anything's going on. I'm not sure if this needs to be like turned on. So it's really loud here, but looking at it, you can see that this light has come on. So that means the ProHeat is ready to use. All right, and what we're gonna be taking a look at is we're actually gonna make a little mess right here. There's a spot where I spilled some ink in the past. We're actually gonna take a little mustard and put it right here to test to see if this is any good. So yeah, we'll take some mustard right there. Got the mustard on the couch. Got some mustard on the carpet. We know that's a tough one to clean up. Let's see if it's any good. Let's take it, smear it in. I either just ruined my carpet or Bissell is going to save the day. I may have just ruined my carpet. Yeah, so that mustard is in there. We'll use that ProHeat cleaning solution, see if we can get it all cleaned up. Wow, this looks bad. Let's see if we can get it cleaned up though. All right, so here's an update on the stain. It's still here, it's still visible, but it's a lot less visible. This is a mustard stain, one of the most notorious stains, and yo, when you zoom out and get a look, it does not stick out anywhere near as much as it originally did when we first put it here. Honestly, wasn't the wisest decision putting it here, but let's get back to it. All right, so looking at the cleaner, we can see this is what the reservoir looks like. We got the mustard in there, a lot of water, and then I also tried like some soap to get the water out, or also tried some soap to get the mustard out. So it's a little bit bubbly in there. I tried some stuff aside from the solution. I think it did help, but all in all, this is how it is. Now I'm about to remove this tank and pour out the water. So to remove the tank, just gonna lean it off right there, take it, and now I'm gonna go dump it out. So to dump it out, looks like you just take this part, lift it up, then you just pour it out. All in all, I have to say this works pretty well, and I would definitely buy this again. Was it the best way to clean mustard? No, actually, it might be. Did it clean it all up? No, it did not. But hey, mustard is a tough stain. It got pretty darn far.